Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple and effective assignment tracker with an automatic stats dashboard using Google Sheets. This tracker helps you to organize subjects, track assignment status, and stay on top of deadlines. Before we begin, here's a quick preview of the final assignment tracker. Here at the bottom, you'll enter the assignment details, and here at the top, you'll see a stats summary that updates automatically as you work. Here I'm renaming the sheet to tracker, and let's start by creating the main assignment table. Add these column headers: number, subject, assignment, priority, status, assigned date, due date, days left, and notes. This table is where all assignment data will be entered. Next, we'll add dropdowns to keep data consistent. To do that, go to Data, Data Validation, and Dropdown. For priority, add high, medium, and low. Set both fill color and text color based on each drop-down value. High priority assignments will be red, medium will be yellow, and low will be green. This makes urgent assignments easy to identify at a glance. For status, add not started, in progress, and completed. Apply the same steps used for priority column. Using drop-down ensures clean data and prevents formula errors. We are just checking out and the status works fine. Select the assigned date and the due date columns. Click on Add New Rule and change it to Is Valid Date. When you double click on this date cell, it opens a mini calendar view. This will eliminate errors while using formulas. Now we are going to add in an additional column. Here in the days left column, enter the formula that subtracts today's date from the due date. This formula leaves the cell empty if no date is entered. It shows as due past if the due date is over. Otherwise shows how many days are left. This allows you to quickly identify assignments that need immediate attention. It also helps you to quickly see how much time is left for each assignment. Now let's build the stat summary section. First, we'll find the total number of assignments using the COUNTIF formula, which simply counts all the subjects in column B. Then we'll use the COUNTIF formula to see how many assignments are completed, in progress, not started. COUNTIF formula simply counts how many times a specific condition appears in a range, like how many tasks are completed We'll use the COUNTIF formula to see how many are high, medium and low priority tasks. Now let's improve the charts. I'll add clear titles so it's obvious what each chart represents. I'm also adjusting the chart colors to match the rest of the dashboard and resizing them to fit the layout. Small design changes like this make the tracker more enjoyable to use. Now let's calculate the completion percentage. This shows how many assignments you have completed compared to the total number of assignments. You can format this as percentage. Create a donut chart using this data. Head to chart settings and remove the background color and the border. And I've also renamed the title of the chart to goal progress. And adjust the colors to your liking. Now adjust the size and bring the chart to the right to the center. Change the text color of 100% value to white so that it doesn't show up. Increase the font size for the goal percentage. Now when you mark a test as completed, watch the chart update instantly. Now that the tracker is working, let's spend a few minutes cleaning up the layout and making it easier on the eyes. First, I'm increasing the font size for the headings so that the important sections stand out. For the main table, I'm keeping the text simple and readable. Next, I'm adjusting the colors to keep everything consistent. I'm sticking to a limited color palette so that the dashboard doesn't feel cluttered. I'll also add a little spacing and alignment to make the layout feel balanced. To remove grid lines, go to View, Show, and remove grid lines. This will make your tracker more clean and visually appealing. You can customize this assignment tracker to suit your needs. Add more subjects, extend the date range, or adjust colors to match your study style. The formulas will continue to work as long as the structure stays the same. And that's how you create a complete assignment tracker dashboard. The system helps you stay organized, manage deadlines, and track your academic workload more efficiently.
Also tucked in a few freebies in some extra OneNote, Excel, and Google Sheet templates in case if you love organizing as much as I do. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye until I meet you with the next cute dashboard tutorial video.